Forgotten username recovery failed on SoFi Invest Fix. You try to recover your SoFi Invest username, but the system keeps saying we can't find your account. It's frustrating, especially when you just want to check your investments. But here's the surprising truth: in most cases, the problem isn't with SoFi servers. It's a simple login mix-up that's easy to fix once you know where to look. First, remember that SoFi uses a single sign-on system across all its services: SoFi Money, SoFi Loans, and SoFi Invest. That means your login credentials are shared. If you're using an old or incorrect email address, the recovery tool won't locate your account. Search your email inbox for past messages from SoFi. The address that received those notifications is the one linked to your investment account. Next, if you originally created your account using Google or Apple sign-in, you'll need to log in that same way. Most people forget this part, but switching between manual and single sign-on logins often triggers recovery errors. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache or reinstall the app. Stored login cookies sometimes cause the system to loop or reject valid information. Still can't recover your username? Head to SoFi support page and submit a recovery request. Provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SIN. Their team can verify your identity and send you your correct login details securely. So the next time your recovery attempt fails, don't panic. Double-check your email, confirm your sign-in method, and clear all login data. With those steps, you'll be back in control of your SoFi Invest account in minutes.